Subject and verb agreement, rule 1. But before we look at the first rule of Concord, let us first establish this fact. For plural nouns, you find es or s. For singular verbs, you find es or s. Plural verbs do not contain es or s. For example, plural nouns, you find mangoes, yams. This indicates that there are more than one. But for plural verbs, you do not have es or s. For singular verbs, you have s or es. So laying this foundation now, let's go on. Rule 1, it states that a singular subject must follow a singular verb. For example, Eze goes to school. Eze is one, goes is a singular verb. She likes eating rice. She is one, likes is a singular verb. This is a correct sentence. The man is sleeping. Is a singular verb. Man is a singular noun. There are exceptions, however. The person pronouns I and you do not follow this rule. The I and you follow the plural verbs. E.g., I like him. You cannot say I likes. You cannot say I likes him. This will be grammatically wrong. Okay, so the person pronouns I and you follow the plural verbs, but the other singular verbs must follow, the other singular nouns must follow singular verbs. For example, I like him, she likes him. You like it, he likes it. You look good, she looks good. Remember, rule 1, a singular subject must follow a singular verb. But the exceptions are I and you. They follow plural verbs. Thank you.